Hi, and welcome to Temp Studios. My name is Krish, and I'm a technical account manager based out of Auckland in New Zealand. Today's feature review is about automatically saving selected wrap-up codes for improved call handling. This review was released on the 17th of June 2024. With this enhancement, agents should be able to select wrap-up codes and automatically save the wrap-up code on after call work time expiry. Let's dive in for an in-depth overview. Supervisors can now ensure that Genesys Cloud automatically save selected wrap-up codes for interactions, even if agents do not click Save or Done before the after-call work period ends. This enhancement guarantees that the wrap-up codes are preserved when the ACW period expires, which provides an easier workflow for agents. Eliminating the need for agents to manually save their selection ensures an accurate reflection of call outcomes and allows supervisors to better understand and evaluate the performance. What this basically means is if a wrap-up code selection has been made, it should persist when the ACW timer expires without an agent having to explicitly press the Done button. Agents should be able to set wrap-up codes anytime before the interaction is considered as done. Previously, if a wrap-up code selection has been made and the agent forgets to click Done and the timer expires, then the interaction was tagged in wrap-up timeout. From a configuration standpoint, most queues would already be configured with wrap-up codes. For this feature, the queues after call work, or ACW as it is referred to most times, should be set to a time-based option. That is either mandatory time-boxed or mandatory time-boxed no early exit, and with a ACW timer threshold set. Let's explore this feature further in our lab environment. Assuming you have all the required permissions and you are logged into Genesys Cloud environment, navigate to Admin, Contact Center, Queues. Search and select the queue you'd like to make a change for. For this demo purpose, I'm going to select MQ Test KM queue. This is my test queue. Under General tab, change after call work to either mandatory time boxed or mandatory time boxed no early exit. For this demo, I have selected mandatory time boxed no early exit and I've set an after call work timeout of 10 seconds. I'll save this configuration and I'll check if I've all the required wrap-up codes enabled for this queue. I've got 3 wrap-up codes enabled. I'll close the settings and now let's go and test. I'll place a call and I'll answer it. Once the agent answers the interaction, agent can select the wrap-up code based on the call type. For this demo purpose, I'll just select KM_general inquiry. Once the agent is done with the call and agent hangs up, this call goes into after call work and you can see the timer ticking along. You can also see the wrap-up code that I have selected, which is underlined. Once the timer expires, I'm pushed back into the queue, ready for another interaction. As a wrap-up code was selected, it was saved when the ACW timed out, without the agent having to click the Done button. This slide shows the interaction report for before and after the enhancement. Also note the interaction is still tagged in wrap-up timeout if no wrap-up code selection was made prior to ACW timer expiry. And that's all for today. Hope this session was informative. Please comment below or email us should you have any questions on tempstudios@genesys.com. Thanks for watching.